Click on the link below to see price. Jackery 1500. If you are looking for a portable power source, the Jackery 1500 is a great option. It delivers 1800 watts of continuous power, with a peak output of 3600 watts. It can power up to 7 devices at once, and its rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack is safe for indoor and outdoor use. Here is a comparison chart to help you choose the right one for your needs. It also includes a battery management system. The Jackery 1500 solar panel provides a continuous output of 1800 watts and a peak output of 3600 watts. With its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it provides maintenance-free energy for indoor and outdoor use. The patented design of this product makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This product is highly durable and can withstand extreme weather conditions. Its lightweight, compact design allows you to place it anywhere you need it to. The Jackery 1500 solar generator costs is less than the other brands, although it's possible to get a deal for a better price if you buy the solar panels separately. The power station can be charged in the car or home, and it's a great choice for day trips, tailgating, and short-term power outages. The company also offers larger models, as well as solar panels separately or in packages. For more information on solar panel performance, continue watching. The Jackery 1500 solar panel is compatible with the current generation of Jackery devices. It features a USB port for charging devices, and a solar panel with a built-in USB connector. The new model also has a convenient carry pouch. Users need not be skilled in electronics to use the device. Input a USB or plug into a corresponding hole on the Jackery, and then push the button to charge it. The device also features a display screen that shows how much charge is left, and when it will need to be recharged. In addition to the batteries, the new Jackery model also comes with an adapter for existing Jackery solar panels. The Jackery 1500 solar generator has 4 solar panels, and can charge a phone or other device from 0% to 80% in 4 hours. A single 100 watts panel can charge a Jackery 500 unit, depending on the amount of power you're consuming and the amount of sunlight that's available. Click on the link below to see price.